This is a breathing exercise that we borrow from a number of different disciplines, from Qigong, from Tai Chi, from Kung Fu, and it's a rhythmic exercise with the body and with the breath. So you start with your legs, making sure that they're directly under your hips. Make sure that they are hip wide and they're not closing the distance. Make sure that it's as wide as your hips. And you want to bring movement into your body. So we're going to start essentially by just making sure that there's a little bit of sway in your body from left to right. And as you're swaying from left to right, that you're shifting your weight. So making sure that your knees are not locked. And we're going to bring our breathing up as we bring our arms up. And we'll start on one side and then move to the other. So we're going to start on one side. Just bring your arms up as you breathe in and exhale. And breathe in and exhale. Inhale all the way along the arm movement and exhale all the way down. And you notice I'm keeping my eyes directly on the horizon. I'm not following the track of my arms as I breathe in and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. Okay, so this move is called the mountain. And now we're going to move to a move called the clouds. And we're literally going to make the clouds between our hands and move the clouds. So we start with a stance, and you can do it either with your left or your right foot. But we're making sure that we essentially form like a corner between our legs and our butt. And making sure that our legs are wide enough. Don't close the distance like this, like you might in a ballet stance, but making sure that it's wide out. We start with the back and we put our hand up in the back. And what we're doing is we're moving the cloud. So we inhale and we push the cloud. Exhale all the way down. Exhale. And then we turn, take the breath in and exhale all the way down. Exhale. And we change our feet, put the back in the front, and continue. Take the breath in and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. So the third move is the waterfall, and we're keeping our hips out and our legs hip wide, and we're going to step out with one foot. It doesn't matter, the left or the right, it doesn't matter. And as we do so, we're going to bring our body forward, and we're going to inhale, and then we're going to exhale. And then we shift our feet and inhale and exhale. And bring our body forward and inhale. And as we exhale, we just sit. And inhale and exhale.